Have you ever imagined earning money from the comfort of your own home? You can actually earn extra cash by testing websites and apps. The best part? You don't need any prior experience. All you need is a computer or smartphone and a willingness to share your honest feedback. Ready to start earning? Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now let's get started. One platform that stands out in the realm of paid website and app testing is UserAdvocate. Available globally, UserAdvocate connects businesses with individuals like you who are eager to share their thoughts and opinions. It's a win-win situation. Businesses gather valuable feedback, and you get rewarded for your time and insights. Signing up with UserAdvocate is a breeze. Simply visit their website and create a free account. During the registration process, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself and your tech preferences. This helps UserAdvocate match you with relevant testing opportunities. Once you're a registered member, UserAdvocate will notify you via email about new testing opportunities that align with your profile. You have the freedom to choose which tests you want to participate in based on your interests and availability. UserAdvocate makes it incredibly convenient to earn money online. With its global reach and user-friendly platform, you can participate in paid testing from anywhere in the world, at any time that suits you. Getting started as a tester on UserAdvocate is incredibly straightforward. Follow these simple steps to earn extra cash. First, sign up. Create a free account and provide your basic information. Check your email for new testing opportunities. Download the UserAdvocate app and follow the instructions. Record your feedback and submit it through the app. Your feedback will be reviewed and you'll be credited for your participation. Testing. Made simple, sharing your valuable feedback. The tasks involved in website and app testing are generally quite simple. You'll be asked to perform actions that a typical user would, such as browsing a website, completing a form, or using a specific feature of an app. As you interact with the digital platform, you'll share your thoughts and opinions out loud, providing valuable feedback to the company. Your feedback could include anything from the ease of navigation to the clarity of the instructions. Did you encounter any bugs or glitches? Did you find the design appealing? Was the content engaging and informative? Your honest feedback will help companies identify areas for improvement and create a better user experience. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers when it comes to providing feedback. Your opinions and experiences are valuable, regardless of your technical expertise. Just be honest, thorough, and articulate in your responses. Earning and enjoying your rewards. You're probably wondering how much you can earn from testing websites and apps. While earnings vary depending on the length and complexity of the test, you can expect to make from $5 to $100 per test. Some tests might offer higher payouts, especially if they involve in-depth feedback or require specific demographics. UserAdvocate offers convenient payment options to ensure you receive your earnings hassle-free. You can choose to receive your payments via PayPal or bank transfer, whichever method suits you best. Payments are typically processed within a few business days of completing a test, so you won't have to wait long to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Website and app testing with UserAdvocate provides a fantastic opportunity to earn extra money from home. It's a simple, flexible, and rewarding way to share your opinions and make a difference in the digital world. Ready to start earning? Sign up with UserAdvocate today and unlock a world of earning potential. With its user-friendly platform, flexible hours, and convenient payment options, UserAdvocate makes it easier than ever to turn your spare time into extra cash. Start sharing your valuable feedback and get rewarded for your insights. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos like this one.